The first goal in this project is to go find some lined paper and crop it down to about 2 lines. So go online, find some lined paper, make sure it's not blurry. One of the things you're going to want to click on is Tools and do larger than 800 by 600 so you can get paper that's long enough. Take it into Photoshop. Check the size of your screen by going to Image, Image Size, and mine is set at 958. Grab my crop tool here, and I'm going to drag just around these 2 lines. At that point, I will zoom in by hitting Control plus so I can see how good I did. So I've got some extra white here that I'm going to need to crop out. So I'm going to grab my crop tool again and drag that down. I got a blue line at the top and no blue line at the bottom. That way people won't be able to tell I'm repeating. Then go ahead and save that image. Then you're going to come into Dreamweaver, create a new file. Of course, go add your meta and your title tags, add an internal style sheet, add a div and give it a name of paper. We're going to go and style that div, which would be dot paper. And one of the things you could do is set the width of that. I'm going to set mine to 958 pixels. You can set the height to whatever you'd like, and you can change that later if it's not what you were wanting. And you're going to now want to add in your background image. So background image, it should be in the closest images folder. And we want to repeat it down the page, so that would be repeat Y. And then you want to go and preview that to make sure it actually looks like a full sheet of paper. If you can tell that it's repeating, go back to Photoshop and adjust your crop. So far the paper looks good. One thing I might consider doing is adding in that top margin. So in Photoshop, if you want, you could crop out the top margin, add another div, and include that portion.